Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into the world of DIY spray painting with the Wagner Spraytech C900038.M large spray shelter. If you're on the hunt for the best paint tent for your spray painting projects, look no further. This Wagner spray shelter offers a protected, enclosed area for all your spray painting needs. Whether you're working on furniture, crafts, or even larger projects, this spray tent has got you covered. Let's talk setup. With its two-pole design, this spray shelter is a breeze to set up. Whether you're in the garage, driveway, or even indoors, you'll have a clean and contained space for your painting endeavors in no time. One standout feature of this tent is its built-in floor. Say goodbye to messy overspray getting everywhere. Plus, the mesh screen helps protect your freshly painted projects from unwanted debris and pests. But what about performance? Well, rest assured, this spray shelter delivers. It provides ample space for medium to large-sized projects, giving you the freedom to tackle your painting tasks with ease. And when you're done, simply fold it down into a compact size for easy storage. It's lightweight and portable, making it a convenient addition to any DIY enthusiast's toolkit. So, if you're in need of a reliable and efficient paint tent for your spray painting endeavors, look no further than the Wagner Spraytech C900038.M large spray shelter. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product critiques. Until next time, happy painting!